You can talk now.
Good evening, guys. See, look, just now I finished doing the henna. My cousin do this one, Anamika. Thank you so much. Shout out to Anamika. Thank you. Because tomorrow, the occasion of Nepal is, what's that name?
Starting a Sauni Sakrati.
Sauni Sagrati in Nepal. That's why mostly of the woman or girls here, they must to put windy. And then after that, they need to wear this one, bangles. And then thank you to my Chaima. Every yearly she always sponsor me. Again today she delivered this one, the bangles all. Tomorrow I will wear it. For 1 month guys. This is for 1 month occasion here in Nepal starting tomorrow. That's why my cousin, she put me like this. Thank you so much, Anamika. And to my Chaima or auntie for the bangles. Tomorrow I will show